15 amazing benefits of clove water. Clove water is a simple and delicious drink that can offer many health benefits. Here are some of them. It relieves toothaches and aids in dental hygiene by killing bacteria and fighting plaque. It has a calming effect on the body and helps in relieving stress and anxiety by regulating the levels of cortisol, the stress hormone. It helps in weight loss by increasing the metabolism and suppressing the appetite. It protects the liver from damage and improves its function by preventing oxidative stress and inflammation. It lowers blood sugar levels and prevents diabetes by improving insulin sensitivity and glucose uptake. It lowers blood pressure and prevents hypertension by relaxing the blood vessels and improving blood flow. It lowers cholesterol levels and prevents heart disease by reducing the formation of plaque in the arteries and improving the lipid profile. It prevents cancer by inhibiting the growth of tumor cells and inducing apoptosis. It improves brain function and prevents cognitive decline by enhancing memory, learning, and attention. It improves skin health and prevents acne by reducing inflammation, infection, and oil production. It improves hair health and prevents hair loss by stimulating blood circulation, nourishing the follicles, and preventing fungal infections. It improves respiratory health and prevents asthma by clearing the airways, reducing mucus, and easing cough. It improves bone health and prevents osteoporosis by increasing bone density and mass. To make clove water, you just need to boil some water and add a few cloves to it. Let it steep for 10 minutes and then strain it. You can drink it hot or cold and add some honey or lemon for extra flavor. Enjoy the amazing benefits of clove water every day.